You guys saw us cover Mocambo last week and enjoyed the video thoroughly. We are back for the second episode of the Heritage series, and today we are at Trinkers. Let's check this place out. Alright, so we are settled right now inside the Trinkers and we already have our first items. So we have a drink over here, Pina. And I'm told Trinkers is one of the first restaurants to introduce Shezwan to Kolkata. So we're trying out a spicy dip to go with this Drums of Heaven. It's a pretty unique looking Drums of Heaven. Let's just dip it directly to the spicy. Anand has warned me this is extremely spicy, so they've given me this particular drink to wash out any of the spice which goes inside me. Let's start. बहुत ज़्यादा तीखा है. I'll show you the chicken once again. Delicious. It is such a relief after this particular dish. Both are really good. Drums of Heaven is one of the better ones I've had in the city. It looks a little innocuous at first, but when you take a bite, this is deliciousness inside. Alright, after the fantastic beginning with an oriental dish, we're moving on to some kebabs. So we have a beautiful looking Murg Makhmali cheese kebab. Just big. But I'm going to be using my hand for this. First, let me show you. So this has a lot of cheese, of course, and some fried onions and some mozzarella cheese. It's an Iranian kebab. Makhmali, it is Makhmali soft as silk, and it has a lot of cheese inside as well. Pretty succulent. Now guys, the last starter which we are having at the Trinkers is a lobster thermidor. This looks beautiful. Before I take a dig into this, I wanted to show you guys something. So Anand has shown me this. Now this is a menu card from the ST Wi-Fi, right? And if you see the price of a lobster thermidor then, it was 5 rupees. Is it visible? So it was 5 rupees before to today when it is 495. That's how cheap this stuff has become over the years. Let's take a dig into this. You can hear the crackling. Some more. It's prawns. Pretty creamy. Loving the meat over here with some of the peas and the mashed potato. I think the mashed potato goes well with most of the continental items. I'm not a fan of pilaf rice, to be very honest, so I'm glad that they gave it with mashed potato, and this has a good amount of meat inside this, so pretty happy. Alright, so we are done with our starters bit. I'm going to get hold of Anand, who's going to be talking about the history behind this restaurant, and then I'm going to show you some of the signature items from the main courses over here. Alright, we have Anand here, who is the third generation owner of Trinkers. Hi Anand, welcome to Food Spa.
Thank you for coming. Trinkers has been in my family for over 60 years. We started in 1959, and Trinkers actually dates back even earlier than that to 1939 when it opened at this location on Park Street. It was opened by a gentleman called Quinto Cinzio Trinca, and it opened as a tea room and a bakery. Before that, Trinkers was in partnership with another very famous Park Street establishment. So from 1927 to 1939, they were in partnership, and in 1939, it's all been Trinkers here. Trinkers is known for a lot of great stuff. It's known for its fantastic food. We have heritage dishes here that date back to the 50s and the 60s. like the lobster thermidor, like the chicken a la Kiev. We've got fantastic Chinese and Sichuan food. Trinkas was actually one of the first places in Calcutta to start serving Sichuan-inspired dishes to people here. So Trinkas has always had a tradition since the late 1950s, 1959 actually, when live music started here. There have been many bands, musicians, musical acts that have come through Calcutta and performed at Trinkas. Everybody knows Usha Uttup, but did you know Biddu Apaya? Did you know Eve? Did you know Molly? There were lots of people that came through here and made it really big on the world music stage. Trinkas still has live music every single day. We have a Western band that plays for 2 hours in the evening, and before that we have an Indian band that plays Hindi, a little bit of Bengali music sometimes, that goes for about 2 to 3 hours in the evening, every single evening. Also got a live jazz session that has started on Saturdays and Sundays from 1 o'clock to 3 o'clock.
Great. Thank you so much for speaking to us, and you've been a wonderful host. We had a great time here and looking forward to the next time.
Thanks for visiting.
Cheers.
See you soon.
Alright guys, time for the main course. Okay. So the first main course which we have is a vegetable lasagna. It is good, definitely. But I'm more interested in trying out these veggies over here. So by the side you have there's zucchini, there's corn, there's mushroom, broccoli, carrots, baby corn. So we are moving to the next main course, which is a Thai green curry, some rice, this is rice, and some chili roast lamb. Our menu was supposed to be a little different, but we found out that those items are specialities from the Ming Room. And since we haven't seen a lot of coverage of the Ming Room before this, we might plan a separate vlog from that place as well, wherein we'll be trying out the special items from the Ming Room. Let us know in the comment section if you would want to see something like that. Also, if you're enjoying this series, please give a thumbs up to this video wherever you're watching, be it YouTube or Facebook. And if you are finding it useful, you can definitely share these videos with your friends and family as well. Alright, let's have the Thai curry. It smells really good. Beautiful, very subtle, not very spicy. Really good. Next up, the roasted lamb. The lamb is very soft. It's got a good flavor. Again, not very spicy, not very bland. It's got the perfect balance. It's not chewy, more importantly, and it goes well with steamed rice. Aman, experience thus far?
The drums of lemon was really good, and apart from that, in the starters I like the Murg Makhmali cheese kebab, and in the main course I'm loving the green Thai curry with steamed rice.
Alright, our final main course is, what is this?
The fish chelo.
Wow. Chika? So this is a fish chelo kebab. This is butter. I'm going to just place it on top of the rice and maybe some on the fish, and you can just watch it melt or slide down. Great. So I hear this is fish Irani. No, sorry, that's capsicum. It is piping hot, but it's supposed to be consumed piping hot. So soft. It's slightly under seasoned, so you can use seasoning from the side. Next, I'll have the sheikh kebab. I've had a lot of chilo kebab. It's the first time trying a fish. It's pretty decent. Shobhik, how has your experience been?
My experience has been really great. This place was on my wish list for a long time, so I'm glad I ticked it off.
खुद ही तो 21 साल की हो और कितना long time?
Yeah, it's like from when I started coming to restaurants, I was a regular at Quality, but somehow I didn't come to this place, and it was worth the wait. Each of the items were really good. You can say it's my newest favorite in the city.
After Pronto?
More. Yeah.
After Pronto? Let's vlog it. Alright, finally we're going to be having this desserts now. We have a caramel custard as well as a hot Nutella cappuccino. I love the coffees which are served at Drinkers, not just here. You get a lot of different craft coffee options as well. I like the brownie cold coffee which is served over here. I didn't try this today because I'm having my lunch here, but if you're coming in the evening time, definitely you can give that one a try as well. Final item which I'm having is a good old classic caramel custard. Extremely subtle, not very sweet. This is how the custard should be. पहले हमको दिखा दो, without चश्मा I won't know where it is. Where is the problem? First line में हम पढ़े, hey beautiful, no so hey beautiful place, please share Google. Next time अमन को लेंगे नहीं वीडियो में. हर वीडियो में जब भी सामने से लेता है उसका सांस का आवाज आता है.
नेक्स्ट टाइम कमेंट आएगा आज तो पेशेंट से वीडियो करवा रहे हो এখানে এটা তো পারফর্ম করেছে দেখো ছবি আছে
জানি এখানে ইনফ্যাক্ট ওই ডার্লিং গানটা শুট হয়েছিল ডার্লিং
তাই